Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling WSL now so the terminal will run Linux commands. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the commands to enable WSL and virtual machine platform. Once done, either install Ubuntu from the store or run WSL install d Ubuntu. Make sure to restart Windows when prompted. After the reboot, launch Ubuntu and create your Linux username and password. This sets up your home environment and ensures permissions are correct for file operations. Once Ubuntu is installed, get Windows Terminal for a modern shell experience and add Ubuntu as a profile so you open it quickly. You should update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade, then install essentials like build essential, git and curl because you will need compilers and tools. Make sure Windows drives are accessible under /mnt/c, then edit your bashrc or profile to add useful aliases and path tweaks so common commands and scripts run without extra typing. You'll now use the Ubuntu terminal for development and system tasks, and you should maintain it regularly. Check distro status with WSL-LV and set WSL2 as default for better performance. Back up your home folder and periodically run sudo apt auto remove and sudo apt clean to free space. If something breaks, like networking or drive mounts, try WSL shutdown and restart Windows Terminal, or restart the LXSS Manager service. This usually resolves transient issues without reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.